Hi everybody, this is Nana here and welcome to this YouTube channel. So here I am sharing with you all some of the exercises which I have also experimented some few days back, and I can assure you by practicing these exercises you may get better results and improve yourself in drawing skills. So before diving in the video, you are getting me right that please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload any new video. So let's dive in the video. Here what you have to do is, look, you have to hold the pencil in the middle of the part and you have to draw a circle, not so big circle and not so small, and sorry for that noise. And you have to move the pencil anti-clockwise and also the clockwise, both of the sides. Make sure you not hold the pencil from the bottom or the top, you should hold it from here, okay? Now do this as much as you can, and you may do this exercise on a piece of paper, on any paper which you have besides you. You may do this exercise for 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes. Okay, this is the second one. What you have to do is, you have to draw the lines, vertical and horizontal. Okay, you have to hold the pencil in the middle of that as I told you before, and you have to place the lines randomly wherever you want, and do fastly, okay? You don't have to wait for something or anything, you just have to randomly do the lines, okay? Now as you can see, the columns have made, okay? And now you have to move the pencil diagonally also, so I'm showing you. This much, okay? And now from the other side, okay? Don't worry if your paper turns black, it's okay, but you have to practice these exercises daily to improve your drawing skills. Move it vertically, horizontally, diagonally, as many as you want, and make the paper black whatsoever, but you make sure you practice these exercises daily and every time whenever you have time. This is our third exercise I'm gonna show you here. Look, what we have to do is make a square and we have to move the pencil like this. As you can see in the video, you have to make the shapes proper and equally to one another. Okay, you can draw any shape of your choice. Like if you want a circle, you would draw a spiral. If you want a triangle, you would do like this, but make sure your shapes are equally to one another, like this, okay? And if you want to draw a rectangle, you can also do that. But what you have to make sure is, you have to make sure that your pencil, you have hold it in the middle of that, and also you have to do this exercise more faster than you can, and you have to not wait in a moment, you have to do it randomly and fastly, okay? Make sure you do it faster. So here we go. Every exercise you would give 10 minutes to it. I'm telling the minimum time and maximum as many as you can, okay? And then we'll move towards the fourth exercise. So what you have to do is hold the pencil from the middle and you have to move the pencil like this, you know, curvy line. Make it bigger and curvy. And this exercise also you have to do faster. This exercise will help you do your hand flow better day by day. Also for 10 minutes. I hope you understand this. Let's see. So what you have to do is, when we were making circles in first exercise, we are making the oval shape in this, like this, and moving our hand freely. And we are holding the pencil from the top, okay, and we are doing this. As a child in his infancy scribbles the paper, we have to do only same as he or she does. This will make your hand move freely on a larger scale. You can make this oval, you can make this horizontally oval, you can make this vertically oval. Okay, make sure you move your hand freely like this, and make sure you rotate your hand and get comfortable in doing the scribbling. You will enjoy the process and you will day by day better yourself by doing these exercises. Only you have to do is practice these exercises for 5 minutes, each exercise for 5 minutes only in starting, and day by day you can increase it by doing so. We were doing this anti-clockwise, and now we will do this clockwise. Okay, make sure your hand rotates on a 360-degree angle. Okay, like this. I hope this video was helpful to you, and share this video with one of your friends, and please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.